In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Loom Video Thumbnail 2026, step by step. Thumbnails are the first impression your audience gets, whether they're viewing your video in Loom in an embedded player or through a shared link. A clear, relevant cover image can dramatically improve clicks and set expectations. Today, we'll use the most common method in Loom, choosing a frame directly from your video and setting it as the thumbnail. Start by heading to Loom in your browser and opening the video you want to update. You'll be on the Videos page where you can watch, share, and edit. Look for the Edit Video button and click it. Depending on your account and interface updates, the layout may vary slightly, but the option we want is easy to spot. In the editing view, find the setting labeled Thumbnail or Cover Image. It might appear in a side panel or within the editing toolbar. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the options or expand the settings panel. Once you've located the thumbnail controls, scrub through your video timeline. Scrubbing just means dragging the playhead left or right along the timeline so you can preview different moments. Move slowly and watch the preview as you go. You're looking for a frame that represents the content clearly, ideally a moment where text on your screen is readable or your face is centered and in focus if you're on camera. Avoid frames with motion blur, transitions, or mid-blinks. Good lighting, open eyes, and a balanced composition go a long way. When you reach a frame you like, pause the video exactly on that moment. If you need fine control, use the play-pause button and nudge carefully until the image is crisp. Now click the button that says Set as Thumbnail or Use this frame. The wording can vary, but the action is the same. You're telling Loom to capture that paused frame as the cover image for this video. Before leaving the editor, make sure to save your changes. Look for Save, Done, or Update, whatever confirmation Loom presents, and click it. After saving, you'll be returned to the video page, and you should see your new thumbnail in place. If you're sharing the link previews usually update quickly, but some platforms may take a moment to refresh cached images. That's it. You open